Yes, I'm right here.
Where?
Right here.
You are, okay.
I got glasses on.
All right. Okay. You're here on a 2019 case for domestic battery, and I believe it's a show cause. Is her probation officer here? Miss Donovan, you were here there. Okay. How does she want to proceed, Mr. Patterson?
Judge, this is another case where I have never spoke to her about her show cause hearing, so that I am not prepared to proceed. I'm asking for continuance.
Miss Bartnick, you were here June 8th, and Judge Rickey appointed Darren Patterson. Why didn't you contact him?
Darren Patterson, I called twice. What do you mean? I've already tried contacting him, and the girl who's supposed to call told me that he would get in contact with me. That's how I got this number for Zoom meetings.
We did send out the
Okay.
Zoom link, Judge. That is correct.
Okay, I'm going
and
to.
as far as I know, he's court appointed, and so I don't pay for him. So unless I was paying to speak to him, I don't get to pay to speak to him.
All right, folks, grab your popcorn, because this courtroom drama is about to serve you more chaos than a reality TV reunion. Our star of the show, a probationer who's mastered the art of turning every simple question into a personal TED Talk about why nothing is her fault. We've got a 2019 domestic battery case, a show cause hearing, and one very patient judge, well, at least for now. But here's the kicker. Instead of quietly working with her court-appointed attorney, she decides today's the perfect day to question the system, dodge accountability, and lecture the court on how it should run. Will she talk herself into jail? Will the judge finally lose his...
The taxpayers pay him.
Well, all I know is that I don't pay to speak to him ahead of time. So whatever we're talking about right now, I'm kind of confused as well.
Well, I'm hopefully confused about what you're saying. It's making no sense to me.
I guess so.
Okay, I'm going to continue this for 2 weeks.
And why are we continuing it? How long is
Because
this
you
going
haven't
to
talked to your
continue?
attorney, and if you don't want it continued, I'll just have the hearing right now, and you won't have the benefit of your attorney representing you.
Huh.
Yeah. Probation is a privilege. You don't have to have probation. We can revoke it right now, and you can go serve your sentence if you like.
I mean, that's fine, but what?
It's fine that you, okay, it's fine that you're revoked.
No, I think you're trying to switch my words around on me, and that's not applicable right now. No, I've already told you what I wanted to do. You're switching my words around. I'm not okay with this.
Judge, if the court is setting it over 2 weeks, I can fit her in for an appointment before that time.
Has she seen you, Miss Donovan, since she was ordered to by Judge Rickey on June 8th?
Your Honor, she was reported by phone since she was released from jail.
Have you asked her to come in any more than that?
I have not, Your Honor, because she does reside in Newton.
Okay. All right. This is not up for discussion. This is a 2019 CR case, criminal case.
You know what I mean?
Okay, ma'am, you're being disrespectful to the court who is going to decide your fate.
Go ahead. Do what you feel you need to do.
Please calm down.
No, because I think she's being rude.
And here's where the mental gymnastics really start. She's claiming she can't talk to her court-appointed attorney unless she's paying him out of pocket, despite the fact taxpayers already cover that cost. The judge is basically her the reality, but she's too busy being confused to accept it. This isn't confusion. This is a masterclass in avoiding responsibility. And the worst part, she's doing it in front of the very person who's deciding her fate. Not exactly the kind of self-advocacy they teach in law school.
Not serious enough for me to take judgment calls for no reason.
How old are you?
I'm 32, actually. And you?
And who is that person you're talking to?
It is my boyfriend.
Miss Bartnock, here. I'm going to order that you be here in the courthouse in 2 weeks.
Oh,
weeks
now I gotta
from
make it
today,
you.
2
Are you
weeks,
gonna pay for my ride? I don't have transportation.
2 weeks from today, you must be in the Butler County Courthouse, 201 West Pine, El Dorado.
Okay, well, I'm sure somebody will be calling on my behalf then. That's fine. I don't know
No,
if
you will be
I don't have
there,
a
or I
ride.
will send the sheriff out to get you.
Right, so I'm gonna be sitting in jail for another week on account of sitting around waiting to talk to you? I don't think so. I think y'all are dirty. I'm not gonna go sit in a freaking courtroom or in a jail system just so I can speak to you for another freaking week when it could already be settled right now.
All right,
So settle it right now. I'm not gonna deal with this.
okay.
I think this is childish in all kinds of fucking ways. No, I need you to shut up too.
Let's pause here. Did you catch that? The judge just gave her a very clear choice. Either take the continuance and get legal representation, or skip the attorney and go straight into a hearing that could yank her probation on the spot. Most people would say, yeah, I'll wait for my lawyer. But our Karen here, she's toying with the idea like it's a lunch order. This is the legal equivalent of playing chicken with an 18-wheeler while standing in the middle of the highway.
What is your mental health diagnosis, Ms. Bartnick?
My mental health diagnosis is bitch made, and I'm a fucking ADHD bitch. And I'm not gonna sit here and let some other people who are insensitive make insensitive choices about my fucking life. As if you fucking get to do everything you want to do. You got a car, you got a house, you get to fucking pay your bills. You want to come at me like I can do all that? Please, then you better start giving me some fucking money for all this bullshit.
Are you taking the medication?
Injustice and unjustifiable.
Ms. Bartnick, are you taking the medication prescribed to you?
No, because they keep putting me on fucking Down syndrome medication like I'm retarded, and I'm not.
I'm going to order that you be in the Butler County Courthouse this afternoon.
Oh, you gonna pay for my ride?
She doesn't have transportation.
I don't have transportation.
Okay.
She just got her life in order.
Yeah, my life
Things
is
are
in
going good. She's
order.
gonna make a good decision.
Right, until I talk to you and you want to say I didn't talk to my lawyer. That's bullcrap.
I'm issuing a bench warrant, no bond hold.
She needs counsel. She needs to speak to her attorney. Her attorney needs to be speaking for her.
Yeah, why didn't
She's
anybody
fine
call
by her
me?
attorney.
Bench warrant,
Ooh, I got a warrant all of a sudden.
probation is revoked.
Oh my God.
By now, the disrespect is practically dripping from her tone. She's arguing, rolling her words back on the judge, and making it sound like she's the one running the courtroom. But here's the thing, probation is a privilege, not a right. It's like being told, we'll let you walk free as long as you follow some simple rules. And instead of saying thanks, she's treating it like a personal insult. This isn't confidence. This is self-sabotage in real.
I'm ordering you, Chelsea,
Yes.
to be back here at the Butler County Courthouse in El Dorado 2 weeks from today at 9 a.m.
Okay. I mean, that depends on transportation right now. And I've been told that this is prison for me, so I'm not for sure as far as if I'm supposed to even be leaving.
Okay,
So unless someone else notifies me that it's wrong for me to leave, I'm staying here. I have other courts here.
if you are not here, I can issue and will issue a warrant for your arrest. And I will send a police officer to provide you transportation to Butler County.
I just don't see why I need to go there when we can concur everything right.
Now, let's talk about irony. She's on probation for domestic battery, and right here in front of the court she's talking down to her boyfriend like he's disposable. That's not just bad optics, it's giving the judge a front row seat to the very behavior that got her in trouble in the first place. In courtroom terms, This is like committing a foul in slow motion, right in front of the
That's what
referee.
I don't understand. Do you have a specific reason why I need to be in El Dorado?
That is my order.
It just doesn't seem legit. It doesn't seem like a promising reason for me to be there. When I have everything, I lost a job because you all wanted to put a warrant on out for arrest on me. I can't even pay my fines because you won't give me a chance to. And now you want me to go to Butler? That just doesn't seem promising. I mean, all of this seems like a lie, like just some reason to get me caught up in something. It's just not, I'm sorry, it's just not, I do not see it happening. I don't have a ride unless you can find one, and I'm not sitting in jail for a week.